Hello guys, welcome to this wonderful space. So on today's video I'm going to organize and clean this room. As you can see, it's messy. We keep our son's clothes and some of my clothes in this room. First I'll have to declutter clothes that we no longer need. So guys, stay tuned and hope you'll be motivated to clean and organize your space. So here are the 6 steps that I use to organize my closet. First step is gather your closet organization supplies, the hangers, bin, basket. Another thing, invest in matching hangers. They ensure clothes sit nicely against one another.
I would never wait for something to let it go to waste, with everything at stake. I thought I would take it all back. I just wanna make this thing last, but we're running out of time. We were doing alright, holding on, but I'm losing the fight. Could we run away? I know if we just hit ground running, closing off all the world with no light coming in, bending before we break. Don't you know you and me, we can run away. You and me, we can run away. Run away, run away. You and me, we can run away.
Group similar clothes together, like have sweaters, blazers, pants, dresses, t-shirts, my son's t-shirts, jackets and sweaters.
I know when I'm moving onward, I just wanna trust in your word, but we're running out of time. We were
Always arrange your clothes by color, that way it's easier to spot what you want.
I know if we just hit ground running, closing off all the world with no light coming in, bending before we break. Don't you know you and me, we can run away. You and me, we can run away. Run away, run away. So coming up. Check. You and me, we can run away. You and me, we can run away.
Sitting lonely in my room again, trying to find the words to say, but nothing comes out. I am looking for the better days, seem like they just stay away whenever I try. There's so many things that
If you're using baskets, bin, make sure you label them so that you know exactly where to find what you need.
Can't I? Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight, 'cause there will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Sitting lonely in my room again, acting like I'm innocent. Why do I try? 'Cause now I'm feeling like a fool again, thinking I can fool myself by telling me lies. When there's so many things that I keep in my mind, I hang around people I don't even like. If they can be happy and walk with a smile, oh why can't I? Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight, 'cause there will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. That I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight, 'cause there will be a time.